Today we are going to see the demo of DRS mobile application where your driver can keep you updated about the trip status from start to end. DRS app, it is very easy to use. It is a language agnostic application. Fleet owner will get the live driver updates. It will reduce the phone calls between the driver and owner. In the dashboard of the app, you will get the vehicle status page, attention tab and instruction tab page. Now we will see the role of each and every icons available here. In the driver's waiting page, the driver will get the details of the assigned trip. If there will be no trips, the page will be blank. In the trip dashboard, once the trip got assigned to the driver, it will immediately reflect on the trip dashboard page. In profile page, the driver can check his reward points, trip details, contact number of the owner, checklist and basically the complete information about the trip. Once the trip starts, the driver will be having this dashboard with icons mentioned as per the level of the trip he completes. The driver can update trip status with these icons itself. Here are the icons available in the DRS app. Reached loading point, loading started, loading completed, reached unloading point, unloading started, unloading completed, and at last other query tab is given for unplanned activities so that driver can raise from this icon. Now we will see the attention tab page. With this page, driver can raise the money related requests to the fleet owner. Let's see the icons available here. Fuel fill money request, loading, unloading charge request, toll gate charge request, service money request, goods damaged money request, parking charge request, and at last other query tab for unplanned and unexpected activities. Next is instruction tab page. With this page, driver can check the status of their raised request to the fleet owner. Let's see the icons available here. Fuel fill money notifications, loading unloading charge requests, toll gate charge request, service money request, good damage request, parking or shed charges, and at last other query tab for unplanned or unexpected activities. Now let's see the sign-in process for DRS mobile application. The driver can log in via his mobile number and he can upload his ID and driving license from here, and he can select the payment mode to receive incentives from the owner. After that, he will get the driver's waiting page. Now it's time for the fleet owner to assign trip to the driver. Before that, he has to add the vehicle to his Fleet OS application. Also, he has to add a driver. Now the owner can assign the trip to the driver. Once the trip got assigned, the driver can see the trip details in his DRS app. From the trip level tab, the driver can update the trip status to the fleet owner from the icons available here. The driver can update a voice message and image too to the fleet owner. All the trip status the owner can see in his Fleet OS dashboard itself. Now we will check the attention tab page. Driver raising the fuel fill request to the owner. With this page too, driver can send a voice message and photo to the owner. In the Fleet OS dashboard, the owner is receiving every request raised by the driver, fleet owners having an option either to accept, reject or edit the requests. Here the owner has approved the driver's request. For same, the driver will get a notification in the fuel fill tab icon itself. Similarly, the owner can reject the request as well. The driver will get to know, just he has to click on the icon. This is how the instruction tab works. Similarly, the driver can raise requests to the fleet owner and can repeat the process and keep the owner updated for his every move. Like how the Fleet OS and DRS application communicates with each other. In case of any queries, please reach us through marketing@vamosys.com or sales@vamosys.com. Thank you.